Yeah, pool season is starting soon, and so we want to keep our pools clean, and so a pool robot can be super helpful for that. So why not to try this super convenient, even beautiful AQUVII K2, which is a very budget-friendly, easy-to-use solution. There's zero assembly needed, comes like that right out of the box as a complete set, even including the charger, which you can use down here to give it a charge for 3 to 4 hours, and then it will work for up to more than 2 hours independently in the pool. As soon as we turn it on down here, just with a push and then let it go. There's even a very convenient handle here, but highly recommended to let it go down horizontally, something like that. Also make sure that the rope is disentangled here and not around the wheels, and then we can let it go down. Maybe even using this rope here, but actually we don't need it. We can just let it go and then let it work for 2 hours, and then after that just grab it again with the handle, pull it out, flush the filters, which are super easy to clean, has a dual filtration system. So you have these 4 flaps which we have to open. That's number 4, and now we hold it on the wheels and just pull up the lower part, and then most dirt will be here inside. Just flush it out, and then we have 2 layers of filters. We can remove the upper part easily without screws, and so to open we have to bend this flap here a little bit with 1 finger, push with 1 finger, pull, so like that, and then you can easily lift this up without any power needed. And then we have access to the lower layer to clean if needed, and to put back we have to align these 2 pins down here, and so we lower it here. Now you can see we have to feed these 2 pins inside, and then we just push it down, and so we have to just align it. This part here has to match this one here, and so we just put it here on top, push it down, and then close all the flaps. And before using, of course, we remove the charging plug and close the lid so it's waterproof again. And so we are ready to use it just with a push down here, put it into the water, and because of the sensor it will realize that it's in the water and starts working automatically. What I really like here is that there's no app needed, no complicated setup, really nothing. Just take it out of the box, charge it, put it here and let it do its job. And this thing is absolutely amazing. Watch how fast this is. I've never seen such a fast pool robot vacuum cleaner. It is absolutely amazing. Watch this. This thing is at least 3 or 4 times faster than anything else I've seen till now. Of course, it's not supposed to climb up the walls. That's not what's intended here. And also the very high filtration capacity of up to 1,200 gallons per minute is super impressive. Yeah, this thing definitely rocks. And so it has been cleaning now really nicely for a while. Of course, if I want to stop it before it runs out of battery, I need something to grab the handle here. There's no remote control here. And by the way, as far as I know, there is not a single pool robot cleaner with a remote control. And also the ones with an app you can't control down there because the Bluetooth signal from the app cannot go through the water. If you let it run out of battery, it will park close to a wall. But other than that, you really have to grab the handle, something like that. So I just grab it here, pull it here to me. So let's see if we can pull it up. So we have it here, you can see, yeah, it does quite some filtration here, really impressive. And as soon as I've been pulling it out of the water, it has stopped automatically. Really great safety built in. So I let all the water flow out here and now turn it off. Because of the cage and because I've been using another pool robot just recently, there's not a lot of dirt here inside. Probably don't even have to check even. But there's still quite some stuff here inside. It's pretty amazing actually for a pool which was supposed to be clean. There is definitely some stuff. And there's also some stuff here around the filter which I can just easily flush with a garden hose. And then after that put it together and charge it again and it will be ready for the next cleaning. Really amazing. Yeah, it's been doing really great so far and it only got stuck once. back in the corner there where really a lot of pool robot cleaners have been struggling. Not only this one, but also super advanced pool robots, even $600 pool robots get stuck here every now and then, of course, totally depending on the pool shape. So I'm definitely not blaming this one here. And it was super fast, of course, not climbing the walls, but that's not intended with this pool robot. So overall, I would say still a really good, budget-friendly, super easy solution. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this AQUVI K2 Pool Robot, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.